Have you ever walked into a bakery just to buy one piece of bread and walked out with a bag full of cookies and cake?
Yes, the smell should come with a warning sign.
Exactly. Today we're talking about bakery shops, useful English, and one funny bakery story that still makes me laugh.
Welcome to Fluent AvenueX. Relax, listen carefully, and enjoy learning English the natural way.
Last Saturday, I stopped at a small bakery before work.
Just for bread?
That was the plan.
Uh-oh, I know that voice.
The fresh smell hit me as soon as I opened the door. Suddenly, I wanted everything.
Donuts?
Yes.
Muffins?
Yes.
Chocolate cake?
Ugh, don't remind me.
Bakeries are dangerous for hungry people.
The worker smiled and said, "Good morning. What can I get for you?"
That's a common question in American bakeries.
I looked around for almost 2 minutes.
Were you choosing carefully?
No, I couldn't decide.
That's even worse.
Finally, I bought bread, 2 cookies, a blueberry muffin, and a cinnamon roll.
Wait, that's not breakfast anymore. That's a party.
I know, but everything looked fresh.
Speaking of fresh, here's our first useful word.
Great idea.
Fresh.
Fresh means newly made and good to eat.
Fresh bread usually smells amazing.
And people often visit bakeries early because the bread is freshest.
Did you eat everything?
Almost.
Almost.
I saved 1 cookie for later.
Let me guess. Later never came.
You're right.
One time, I asked for 1 donut.
Sounds normal.
The worker said, "Buy 5 and get 1 free."
Oh no.
I wanted to save money.
Let me guess. You spent more money.
Exactly.
That's happened to me too.
Here's another useful word.
Go ahead.
Delicious.
Delicious means very tasty.
If a cake is delicious, you want another piece.
Maybe 2 pieces.
Maybe.
Sometimes I like talking with bakery workers.
Me too. They're usually friendly.
They often recommend something new.
That's how I discovered almond croissants.
Really?
Yes. I wasn't planning to buy one, but the worker recommended it.
Was it good?
It was incredible. Excuse me, which pastry is your favorite?
I always choose the apple pie. It's warm, sweet, and perfect with coffee.
Nice choice. Do you come here often?
Almost every Sunday. The people are friendly and everything tastes fresh.
Thanks. Enjoy your pie.
He looked very happy.
Good food can do that.
Time for our last vocabulary word.
It's recommend.
Recommend means to tell someone about something you think is good.
A bakery worker might recommend today's special bread.
And good recommendations sometimes help us discover new favorites.
You know what's funny?
What?
Every time I say, "I'm only buying one thing," I never do.
Same here.
Maybe we should stop making that promise.
Never. Next time will be different.
That's exactly what you said last week.
Okay, maybe you're right. Ha ha ha.
Vocabulary review.
Fresh. Fresh means newly made, not old.
The bakery sells fresh bread every morning.
Delicious. Delicious means very tasty.
This chocolate cookie is delicious.
Recommend. Recommend means to suggest something good.
I recommend the blueberry muffin.
Instead of saying, "I want bread,"
Say, "I'd like a loaf of bread, please."
it sounds more polite and natural in a bakery.
Instead of saying, "This cake is good,"
Say, "This cake is absolutely delicious."
It gives a stronger, more natural compliment.
Instead of saying, I can't decide,
Say, everything looks so good. I can't choose.
native speakers often explain why they can't decide.
Here's today's question.
What's the most delicious thing you've ever bought from a bakery? And why did you love it? Thanks for spending a few minutes with us today.
We hope you learned some useful bakery vocabulary and enjoyed our story.
If you liked this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your answer in the comments.
And watch another Fluent AvenueX video to keep improving your English every day.
See you next time. Happy learning!